It's a fine day, people open windows, they leave their houses just for a short while. It's a fine day, people open windows, they leave their houses just for a short while. It's a fine day, people open windows.
Hey, what's up, everybody? Finally got something in the mail. Check it out. Time to open it up. I waited to open it till you guys got to see it, so let's cut it open. If you've been watching my videos, you know what this is. Much anticipation. Been waiting for this. Let's just rip it open. Yeah. Check it out. Titanium Independence. Sweet. Oh yeah. New Powell Peralta wheels. Sweet. Powell Peralta Classics. Legendary time proven designs. Sweet. Nice. Bust one out. Show you guys what it looks like. So, yeah, that's it right there. Pretty cool, huh? Nice. So now I got some sweet wheels. Sweet trucks. And scissors. Open up. Yeah. Check it out. Titaniums. Titanium Independence. Again, I like the little independent symbol right there. Cool. So here's my new truck and wheels. Sweet. Alright, I'll see you in the next video when I'm at the skate park. Later, everybody. Remember, go get a board, your scooter, your bike. Get out and go ride, man. Have fun. See you later.